today I'll show you how to update your Xbox Series X. So power on your console and then select the settings icon in the top menu that appears. Select that. And then within the settings, scroll down and find the system section. Select that. And then scroll down within the system and select updates. So choose that. Now at this point, your console will try to check for any available updates. And if there's an update available, you'll see the option update console. So to update your console, simply select update console. And then you'll see the update details. The size of the update is about 913 MB. And it will give you a brief description of what the update is all about. So to proceed with the update, select start update. And then you'll be prompted if you want to get automatic updates automatically. So I'll select yes. And then now the update will begin to download. So once it's done, your console will restart so that it can successfully install that particular update. So that's basically it on how to update your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.